Hello fellas, this is Alin with the R6. Well, R6, talking about the R6, today is a very special day, sad but happy day at the same time. Alin is selling the R6. So what I'm gonna do now is fire it up, or see if we can fire it up and get it ready for tomorrow, as we have the MOT booked in, and get it ready for the new owner. So let's go. Let's see if we have enough juice in it, as the R6 is a mess in here, as we have a whole house shakedown. But yeah, so I haven't started in a while, so oh dear, no power. Well, I'm gonna take it outside, take the seat off, and hopefully we might have a solution. Maybe swap the battery from the Tiger, or indeed we might have a lifesaver product that has been sent to me a while ago and never had chance to do a video about it. So here we go. Now is probably the opportunity to show you this new gadget, which all motorcycle riders should have with them or in the garage. What we're gonna do now is take the seat off, because the battery's under there, and we're gonna try to jump start it. Before I jump start it, we need to do a little bit of unboxing. Here we have a 3-in-1 jump starter, tire inflator kit, and torch, all in one. Quite compact. It is a big box, but inside obviously is a lot smaller package. So let's open it up together and find out. This is the unit, fully charged before use. Okay, well, I'm not sure if we have time for that. Okay, battery is fully charged. Way, well, let's take this film off. Satisfying pills. Way. Okay, so we have fully charged battery, and we can switch the light on. There you go. Go a light there, flasher. Nice. USB-C port, USB-A port, tire point, and jump starter point. Okay, so what we need obviously is, first of all, is to take that. Let's switch it off, and let's take the seat out. As the old battery. Let's see now if we can jump start it. So up here we need to check up. Oh, okay, so we have the cables as well, and also we have the charging cable, but what we need is these and that. Now open this up. It's only go one way, one thicker, one thinner, and you can't go wrong. So you plug it in like that, so they say. Bear with me. Here we go. Boost. First of all, we need to connect it to the battery. So as you can see, we got no power, nothing. It's completely dead. So let's see if we can do this. Okay, so we got positive and we get negative. So now we made a good connection. Let's Yes, we could hear these. Whoa, ho, 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 ho. Black Beauty's alive. Oh yes, oh yes. She's gorgeous. So if you are in the market of buying one of those things, help a brother out and use my affiliate link in the description below. Also use the code ALANPICK10 to benefit 10% discount on top of the discounts available on Amazon. This code is limited. It's for limited time only. I believe is until the end of September. So yeah, grab yourself a discount and never pay full prices for gadgets again. So this jump starter gadget thing with the tire inflator works. Now obviously we need to test the tire pump, because for tomorrow for the MOT we do need to check the tire pressure. So let's test the tire pressures. So in the package we had this. So this thing here connects right on the top. Let's see if we can do it with one hand. Here we go. Right, now let's go to the front wheel. The good thing is this is in an angle and we can just put it on the top just like so, and then twist the cap. Here we go. So what do we have? We have 19 psi. What do we need? We're gonna need different. Yeah, 2.5 bars, so we need 2.8, don't we? Here we go. There you go, the pump stops. That means we go to the correct pressure on the tire. And as you can probably hear me, I'm not talking through the lav mic. That is because the battery died. And also this gadget has a USB-A to USB-C cable, and this will obviously charge my lav mic, or wireless mic, let's say. So while this is charging, we're going to pump the rear tire. The rear tire here is a lot easier because there is a lot more room. So we're just gonna undo the cap again, repeat the process, put this up, and we're gonna check to see what pressure we have. Oh, what do we have? 2.8, but what do we actually have? 2.5, okay. So we need 2.8. There you go. And while the pump is pumping, the wireless mic is charging. Good gadget, that is, good gadget. If you want one of those gadgets, click the link in the description and get yourself a 3-in-1 jump starter, torch, tire pressure and battery bank, maybe 4-in-1. There we go, it stopped. That means the tire got to the right pressure. And just like that, the microphone battery got to 20% while we pumped up the tires. This little gadget is not expensive, it's from Amazon. It's around the 30 to 40 quid. I'll put the price on the screen if I'm wrong. If you like to get one of those for your garage or for your bike, I mean, it's not that small so you can put it under the seat, but it's decent enough to keep in the garage as a backup. And indeed, if you have an adventure bike, this will fit in your panniers. I hope you like this video, and hopefully the R6 will sell tomorrow. So if you are in the market of buying one of those things, help a brother out and use my affiliate link in the description below. Also, use the code ALANPICK10 to benefit 10% discount on top of the discounts available on Amazon. This code is limited. It's for limited time only. I believe is until the end of September. So yeah, grab yourself a discount and never pay full prices for gadgets again. Until the next video, you ride safe and ride with me. Cheerio.